come from different backgrounds. We all
Hello, traders, or hello, astronauts, or inverse astronauts, whatever. Welcome to episode 290 of Tea with me. Mitch Ray could be doing anything, but you're here with me and Matthew McConaughey and the Independence Day aliens and stuff. All right, so thanks for tuning in. 4,000 sub stream, okay, live stream. I can't believe it. Can you? No, I can't. What happened here, man? I think Vet Moonboy's messing with just messing with it. What was he doing? What is happening? No. No. I'm gonna continue. I'm not reloading my chart. Sorry. Okay, so hope you like it. Blah 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 blah. Let's head on back over here. Bam. Hey, what's up? I'm here. And the audio's gone. Okay, so Bitcoin, what's it done since the day stream? Not much of anything, right? Not too much. We just kept selling off a little bit, but we have not fallen below that 1 wick where we bounced off the December 27th low, the December 9th high, and then those late November lows. Okay, so it seems like a pretty decent support right here, but no telling. I mean, we're at, currently sitting at 22 on the RSI. Shoot, man, you can't even see that. That's an issue, man. We should always be able to see the RSI. Let's see what we can do here. I mean, okay, that's like better. So now you can at least, shoot, man. Okay, so if I do it, gosh dang. All right, I'm trying to make it to where you can see all the numbers over here, at least somewhat. Anyway, 22 on the RSI, so extremely oversold. And again, we talked about when's the last time we've been this oversold. It was back on November 25th. November 25th was, well, the lowest low at one time before we created that double bottom and ran. We broke down, created the bearish cyber pattern, then just kind of been going definitely down sloping. Breaking below 35.72 would be very, very bad. Could very quickly see 34.62. Oops, my bad. We started already. Okay, spoiler alert. Volume's pretty elevated, right? I think we talked about earlier the highest level of volume we've seen since the 20th of December, but it was green volume up, red volume down. Okay, prevailing trend is what you guessed it, very bearish. Okay, so just because we had a nice route to the upside, we were unable to break a down sloping resistance, and that was it. We had, I think, 17 fails, 17 60-minute candles that were unable to sustain prices or even sometimes get above the trend line. That much rejection is kind of telling, right? So it turned out to be some sort of a fake out of a bullish pattern, right? That bull flag, so it just didn't work out. So big dump, and that's it. That's where we are. Okay, expect 34.62 if we breach this 35.72 area. After that, I don't know, man, because we're going to be so oversold if we get there fast. Okay, you would expect maybe some sort of bear flag, right? But we'll see, man. Okay, below all 3 MAs right now, moving averages. Sucks. Okay, so cheers, y'all. 4,000 subs. We did it, each and every one of y'all. This is the 3rd time I believe we've done this, and just happy I get to spend it with y'all. Right? Okay, man. Okay. Oh, we got 3 hours. We just got a new 4-hour candle 20 minutes ago, right? Take a look at chat, and then we'll just keep on rolling. because we have a patron night tonight. So we do have about 8 coins. Okay, about 8 coins. Wow. Ow. Stupid headphone. Sorry, that was NASA coming in at me. They were yelling at me. Yeah, about eight assets to look at, and then we'll get to all the normal requests, right? So, what's up, Blue Patient? Eric Coffee, Mr. Selecki, Robert Rise, Peter Pan Morgan, Zed Zerbs, Rimlog, JD, P. Miller, MK. Yeah, we'll put SQs on the list, but it'll just be a minute, okay? Because just the thing we do once a week. If I do 14 live streams, patrons get 1. They get priority on 1 of the 14. XRP for me, hello. Bradford, yes, 4,000 subs. Sam Easy, what's up, dude? Friday Wizard, not quite. You were close though, JD. We had a little foreshadowing of the Easter egg up here, right? Which we have, you know, someone said we should turn it around, and I took heed of that. P. Miller, I can put Apple on the list. Just remember, don't be upset just about tonight being that patron night. All right. Sorry, I know a lot of y'all in here. What's up, Jeremy S, dude? Crank some dubstep. All right. Zachary Schneider. Thanks for tuning in, as always. Give me sound check too on this audio. Can't really. Looks okay on my side. You never know. What's up, Mr. Spooner, man? Eric Coffee, Michael David, Krang, Captain Cooked, Isidro, or Isildur. What's up, dude? Easy Eerie. That's right, Vet Moonboy is here. It is I, Vet Moonboy. Well, I figured I would just show up tonight just because, well, we got wrecked. VeChain, you know, it was doing things and then it wasn't doing things at all. Okay. What's up, Nick Skywalker? Bill Battle. Take her to your leader. Oh, wait, I am your leader. Kappa. That's from The Office. The wrong suit? Nah, dude. Not at all, dude. Classy space astronaut named Vet Moonboy. That's right, Off Kilter. Yes. Spock. NASA birthday? Yeah, something like that, dude. Gotta get off the Molly, dude. I'm sorry, what'd you say? Yeah, man, Molly. What if you're watching this stream on Molly? You're probably losing your freaking mind right now, dude. Okay. CWG, you're fasting tonight, but you're tuning in for them gains. Thanks for the happy 4K, man. One small step for Vet. One giant step for S-Coin Kind. Or something, right, JD? Does this mean we're going to the moon? No. Well, what is 4-7? This does not mean we're going to the moon. Remember, the moon is relative. The moon is in the eye of the beholder. Okay, so if you're short, you're going to the moon. All right. Austin, Texas is washing. Well, congratulations on your wonderful season over there. Okay, Longhorns. All right, we're getting through chat, trying to get through it, almost done, and then we're just gonna roll on. Gonna move on to Ethereum after this one. I'm sure just continue to solve a little bit too. What can I do, man? I can do something like this, make this screen like a lot larger. Oh, hey, man. Right, y'all see this right here, man? Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Anyway, I don't know, we can zoom in. Actually, what's going on here? That's just not gonna work, man. We're just gonna not have to deal with that. This is just gonna be my, hey, what's up, everybody? This is my IRL stream. Chart seed, okay? It's gonna be small. That's what she said. All right, let's go back. Oh yeah, so Ethereum broke out bearishly, rising wedge, hit the measure move, and it's continued selling off. Went as low as a 78.6% retrace down to 122.84, and has since bounced, but just going kind of sideways right now. A lot of indecision. Indecision, not good. Indecision after a huge move down like that could signify more moves to the downside. All right, we're currently sitting at 20 on the RSI with Bitcoin at 22. RSI brothers, man. All right, so 200 MA is right there upon you, 120, and you do have some sort of horizontal line support at 119.29 with the 886 right below it at 118. So you do have some decent amounts of support right here. We'll see if we can hold. If not, man, buckle up and get in the spaceship. 112.61. After that, you got a fib extension of 99.60. Wow. But I thought we was going to be kings, but the prevailing trend was bearish. We just made a proper retrace, a retrace we'd been saying was going to happen when people were just like, oh no, man, we're just going to keep on selling, dude. We're going to keep selling to zero before retracing it all. And then people were calling, remember, like, people were like, when this is happening, remember, we just keep selling? People were like, Fibonacci's fake, man. Retraces aren't real. Okay. Fake tips, fake subs, fake community, fake Fibonacci, fake numbers. Okay. So, indecision on Ethereum and could very well see lower prices soon. But man, you would think that we would just pull back a little bit on the RSI before continuing to sell off some more, right? But I don't know, man. We've seen, dude, we have seen some stuff. Okay, we have seen us hit 8 on the RSI. We've seen 11. Dude, you hit 8 or 11. That means you're dumping hard again, right? You have plenty of room to run to get down to these levels. I don't know if we're going to do that. But we've gotten much lower, okay, many times on Ethereum. So it's not out of the cards, not out of the realm of possibility to say that we couldn't keep selling before doing, you know, sideways action's gonna give you a little bit of move to the upside. Okay, so it'd be nice to see us hit 30 and then sell off again, but hey, it could definitely just keep dumping. Okay, that's it. Cool. Remlog, this is great, man. Oh my god. Glad you made it, dude. Ground control to Major Mitch, man. What's up, Bill Battles, man? Thanks, Rick Schmitz, man, on the congratulatory 4K phrase. Thank you, dude. Much love. You can see the RSI. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Just make my logo a little bit smaller, maybe. Thanks, Tyler Hill, man. My tip appears to be pulsating. No, we're good, man. We're good down there. Good. Thanks, Mr. Spinner, for looking out. Okay. You must have another cam in here. Feels so good. Cue the clip. Just put it back. My charts are big enough. I don't think they were, man. I think they were, just too small, man. Just. My V is showing. What are y'all talking about? Oh, this V. Yeah. For sure. Alabama, do we have a problem? Yeah, we might, dude. We might, dude. Just remember, it's Patreon night. Let's get through Ripple, because I know we do have some work to do. Knock it out. Alright, continuing to sell off on Ripple, to be expected with such overwhelming rejection above that 39-cent area, that 382 from the major high to low. And who cares, right? Who cares? Targets were acquired, they were hit, and if we went a little bit higher, hit that golden retrace and said see ya. Contracted on price from Christmas a day all the way up until yesterday, the 10th of January, and have since bearishly engulfed and sold off on elevated levels of volume. There it is, man. There it is. And 33.2 cents with a measured move around 30.55 cents with a downsloping trend line. I don't know, man. Look, we're talking about, it's not a head and shoulders, really, because it, you know, but dude, you can be like, you can see kind of what we're talking about when it's the same type of psychology where we're unable to break to higher highs after a tremendous run, right? You have the impulse up, you break down, you rally, you break down, you come back up, and you have a rally as high as that left shoulder, okay, right shoulder, okay, man. And it's just an ugly pattern. I don't know, man. The triangle set us free, so we don't really care. But I do think there is some sort of downsloping support down here, like at 31.57 cents. That could prevent us from getting to the measure move or something. I don't know. But there you have it, all right. It's not good, man. You're now, you weren't earlier, but you're now at 26 on the RSI, so you're technically oversold with the large spike of negative momentum we've seen since the 28th of December, so not too long ago. We had this dump right here. We're equaling the same amount of negative momentum on this move to lower lows. Right? Thanks. Okay. Tron Connect to the US dollar. Tether. Special request. Alright, this is how I was, the interpretation to me, okay? Hear me out here. It made no sense. You can't include anything here, okay? Anchor point 1, 2, and 3. You broke out. Nothing. Didn't make any sense, right? Yeah, Russell Duramano. Thanks for the so many to the Gizmo. Thanks. So you can't do anything with it, right? So you go with what makes the most sense, and with anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom, and 3 and 4 on the top, with beautiful amounts of touch points on the 75, heart line, support on the 25, right? So I'm digging it, man. Went and digging it, and we broke out, and we have since pulled back, and we're back testing that area that was once a resistance, using it as a support now. How high did we go from your most recent high to low? Almost at a 78% retrace. Incredible deep retrace. Okay, we went deep, baby. We went deep. So I don't know, man. Wicked off of it perfectly and have since rallied, but not by much, man. Not by much at all. And clearly, normally after moves like this, it's going to be almost impossible to make higher highs. Okay, so you'll make a lower high and you could just sell off again. All right. But look at the volume that came in. The overwhelming volume. Volume we have not seen on this pair literally ever on this chart. Okay, so hope you're able to get some perspective on this chart and understand that as long as we can stay outside of this channel for long enough, maybe we'll get another run of the upside. But geez, man, you were at 85 on the RSI when you got up here. That's just too high, and we were able to witness it at towards the end of the live stream last night. Right, so it just like too high, too fast, so you weren't able to get any kind of bearish divergence. It was all just bullish convergence. It just, but you know, when this kind of thing happens, man, pullback is very likely. All right, so stay outside of 2.352 cents, and maybe the market will interpret that this downtrend is done, and we could run again. Okay, that's literally it. Sweet, man. Cool. Holy crap. Cool, man. Cool. What is this one? Quark chain. Oh, interesting. Interesting. All right. So nice uptrend. Holy crap. Hey, man. Trying to think here. Oh, give me a sec. Oh, okay. What kind of retrace we get in there? I don't see it's a 50% retrace. So it's not even enough of a retrace. Okay, so approaching those critical areas of support at 882 sats. The channel has been incredibly well respected, okay? Very nice. From your major high to major low, retraced 38% of the way, and we never saw those prices again at 1,410 sats. Okay, so common retrace, moderate retrace, some would call it. Okay, so here it is. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now going on maybe 4. Maybe, man. But from your low to high, we've retraced 62% of the way. So we were at that golden retrace. We bounced off at 1, you know, so I don't know if we're going to get that same luxury here this time. Okay. But this uptrend's it really started in mid-August. So what more could you ask for in this market? A nice little uptrend, right? Yeah, Derek L, thanks for the sub on YouTube. Gizmo, thanks, dude. Welcome. Anyone subbing on this stream? I mean, this is the 4,000 sub stream. I really appreciate y'all sharing your support. And I guess if you sub, you can tolerate this costume while I do TA. Okay. Anyway. Oh God, here we go, man. This is pre-recorded, man. This was, yeah, in Area 51, dude. Wasn't it the stat or the fact of like back like whenever, what, 1969, it would have cost like even more money to fake and stage a moon landing, more difficult than it would actually have been to actually go to the moon. I mean, to deceive everyone in the world. Something like that, right? Listen, man, maybe approaching areas of value, but I don't know. Okay, so look, criteria for your butterflies, your bullish butterflies: X, A, B, C, and then D is a 1272. But there you go, man. Will we make it down to the 1272? We very well could. It's Quark Chain. It's Quark Chain. It's been an uptrend since freaking mid-August. Is that a joint? Sorry.
Thanks much, Moon Boy. Clinking beer mugs.
Clinking beer mugs, yes. Phil, join in now with the clinking beer mugs. Thanks, brother, man. Cheers.
How do you know when NASA astronaut Lisa Novak is pissed? Just see if she's wearing diapers.
Well, Justin's Bieber. It's my favorite pop star artist. Okay, Justin's Bieber. I thought it was Justice Beaver. Right, the crime-fighting beaver. You never heard of him? He's my favorite. All right, so if this could play out to be some sort of harmonic, the only one that exists right now with the lower high is the one that goes down to the 1272, or the one that could go from between the 1272 all the way to the 1618. Okay, so we'll see if we can get there. I get it. I get the uptrend. But maybe, just maybe, the harmonic pattern might be king. We might be done with this uptrend. I don't know. It's just all hypothetical. This is what you do. This is exactly what you do. You look for the harmonics. You plot them and see they play out. Okay, if this breaks, we could expect possibly to see a 1272 in time. Okay, it's Quark Coin, Kings. Oh, excuse me. Well, it's gonna be Australian dollar to the US dollar. That's it. Let's go to the daily. We have to. Way too much data. Okay, a lot of stuff going on. You want to know really what's going on in the short term on the daily? We are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend right now. We formed a rising wedge pattern and broke out bearishly. And my God, man, 66.922 cents was the measured move of the rising wedge pattern. We were in a downtrend, short-term downtrend from January of last year, and we broke out of it on November 2nd. But when we broke out, all we did was rally on up, probably hitting a 23% retrace from high to low, or 382, probably 23%. And then we hit the 200-day moving average and rejected it and sold off some more. But when we did that, you can clearly see we had a huge wick, man. Got down to 67.471 cents and had a crazy rally, but we're still not making higher highs than our previous highs. Again, the measured move of this pattern was right here. We were so close to it, man. But any kind of rally or move to the upside would have made sense because we had RSI bullish divergence. Excuse me. And people go, what are all these lines, man? It's like, let me show you, dude, because you need to understand why I drew them. All right, so uptrend, where we were in an uptrend until we broke out for the first time June of 2015. And when we broke out, we remember the areas of support. They then became resistance. We see it time and time again everywhere in every market. Pretty universal fact there for Tia. And just enough rejection, forming the upsloping price contraction, aka rising wedge bearish continuation pattern in this context, impulse down. We consolidate bearishly and continue on from the impulse, right? So could almost say we hit the measure move, and they're now just kind of in limbo in the downtrend right now. We have breached the uptrend, the historical uptrend since inception, 1993. We started talking about it, okay?
Mama, we made it. 4K submark has been hit. Slow and steady wins the race, quality over quantity, subs over scrubs. Appreciate the hard work and dedication, through thick and thin, humps and dumps. Mitch rate EA to the dark side of the moon.
Coming in loud and clear. Gang loading, man. Here's your internet, man. Thank you, man. Is this supposed to be like you have to have a radio voice to be an astronaut or something? Kang Logan. Thanks, dude, for the Kang Logan contribution. Legit, the 888. Thanks, dude. Much love. Love you, dude. Can't wait to hang out again in Cali. Probably sometime in March, everybody. March. St. Patrick's Day area. Okay. So the downtrend continues. Double bottoming. Really. And let's see if we can rally. But for now, it just seems bearish. Okay. Okay. Intel. Yeah, Intel. Intel came out with a quantum computer today or something. It says 1G project. Could be huge, man. Could be big. Big if true. Also true if big. Okay, we're looking at the weekly right now. Man, this one was kind of tricky. Made the most sense though. Just anchor point 1 and 2, the all-time highs, maybe adjustment, then 1 and 2 on the bottom. And bouncing off that 25% trend line multiple times perfectly. Okay, and let's go to the, just so you can see the uptrend we're in right now, right? This looks like Bitcoin, right? 2,000. Hey, look, if you're in Intel, you FOMO it into Intel, you're not really making any money, right? Say you bought it at all-time highs, you're still deep in the red, okay? Dude, that's freaking 19 years ago. This is just, remember, man, remember. FOMOing is terrible. Don't FOMO, man. This looks like Bitcoin, kind of. Just a little bit. All right. Just a lot of it. The lower highs. Lower highs, lower highs. Anyway. Okay, man. Let's go to the daily. All right, so look at this. First off, just a little bit of education. My God, look at the rising wedge pattern. It started to October of 2017, ran all the way up till June of 2018. Price contraction is upsloping after an impulse. Beautiful amount of bearish divergence on the MACD, bearish divergence on the RSI. Okay. And we dumped. We dumped and have retraced a good amount. Just again, bouncing on the 25% trend line of the equidistant channel. Have since broken out. Crazy enough. We broke out of the downsloping channel. I think went 1, 2, 3, and well, there's 3, and then 1 on the top. We broke out initially, ran up from a high to low, and hit a 50% retrace. Sold off higher low than our previous low. We're running up, rallying. Okay, but Heartline's going to be there as a resistance, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4 times we could not sustain prices above the Heartline of the historical uptrend. Okay, so 200-day moving average also looms right there at the Heartline. That's got 49, 46. Okay, so you got those two variables. Then you got $50, that rounded number. It's going to be an extreme level resistance. So a lot of adversity ahead of you, with the 50% retrace right there too, man. So, geez. Okay, so positive momentum is building. Earnings. We got earnings on the 24th of January. So, sometime this month, late this month. So keep your eye out for the higher low and the breakout of the downsloping channel. Good for Intel, man, because a lot of things like major indices they're still within the parameters of their downsloping channel. Remember when it all started? Okay, so the thing is, Intel is different. It's kind of definitely different because, you know, selling off in June. I'm sorry, the whole stock market, the major indices were rallying hardcore in June, whereas this thing was dumping. Okay. Huh. Crazy, man. It still did dump with the market, right? Went from a high of like 49, 42 all the way down to 42 and then bounced, right? So anyway, okay, let's see if we can keep this uptrend going. A lot of adversity ahead of us, a lot of it. EA. EA Sports, it's in the game. Alright, man, we have since broken a downtrend that extends back to July of this year. We're out. We did it, man. We're above the 20-day and 50-day moving average. Yes. Well below that 200-day moving average of 116. Currently sitting at 91.01. Alright. Let's fib it, dude. Fib. Your high to low. You've just hit the 236. 92.34 and whipped off of it. Right around there anyway. So what does that tell us? There still might be room to run. But I'm telling you, if the S&P 500 decides it wants to sell off, you are not getting above this area. Okay. You will not get above this area. So, but hey, one thing we'll always talk about is the common retrace zone between the 382 and the 618, between 103.57 and 121.72. Don't know if we'll breach the 23% retrace. I don't know. But the problem is, we're approaching the 23% retrace and we're almost overbought. We're at 67 on the RSI. Not too much more room to run like this. All right. So though you have broken the downtrend, that's great. It is uncertain how far you will move up, and that doesn't mean we're reversing our trend at all. Okay. There's a lot of stuff going on this chart. I get it. But we had a nice velocity trend. It brought us a look. We have the historical trend that goes way, way, way back. Okay, 90s, late 90s or something like that. But we had this. Really, it started July 2015 all the way up to June of 2018. So 3-year-long uptrend, and the rising wedge with the bearish divergence was the end. We were able to call this and Ubisoft's top. Pretty easy, because we had broken out of this uptrend. And just like, and the 75% trend line of the historical channel, and I was like, wait, what? With a rising wedge, with all the, there's too many coinciding variables. It was stupid, dude. Triple MACD bearish divergence. 1, 2, 3. All right, so it's kind of easy. Played out kind of perfectly. All right, so anyway, so EA have not made a common retrace. A common retrace puts you at 103.57, but watch the major indices because they're getting kind of ripe for lower prices. Okay. We're in those zones now. Whew. Sorry. We're going hard, man. We've been going hard. Looked at we looked at 8 charts so far. Been live 39 minutes. All right. What's up about Coach K, man? Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. This is pre-recorded, man. Yeah, dude. And there goes all my chat. Awesome. That rocket isn't even real, man. Flat Earth, yes. Wait, I'm not even a real astronaut, Robin. Yes, I am. I'm not anything but a figment of your imagination. Who designed that rocket? Jeff Bezos or Elon? Definitely Elon. Okay, Kava, because that Moonboy organization does not support Elon. Okay. Okay, yeah, Zitzers, you probably don't want to smoke parsley. It's probably not good for you. Okay, it's probably not going to do anything. Is Vet doing things? Yeah, bad things, not good things, Bearable Guy. It's sold off hardcore. Contacts are kind of killing me now. What's up, BTC buyer, man? 2 bits. What's up, 2 bits, dude?
Hey Mitch, it's IBM that have quantum
IBM,
computer. It's trading around $121.
Sorry, why were we talking about Intel? 1G project. What are you doing, man? Confusing me. Sweet IBM. Alright, I'm gonna put IBM on the list below the other ones, okay? So we look at it. IBM has been an extreme bear trend for years. We'll look at it. Yeah. What's up, Mr. Majesty, dude? Anytime, Wonderful Bricks. Anytime. Yeah, remember, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, us up. Thank you so much for being here. I made it. Thanks, Lintech TV. It was because people like you that I made it to 4,000, okay? Derek, you're watching Tron nervously. Hopefully you didn't FOMO in, man. Okay. FOMO will kill you. Sorry, I'm just trying to get through chat now. I put XLM on the list. Sure, dude. Just gonna be a second, alright? Just because it's Patreon night. But we've been working hard, man. We've only got 3 more Patreon requests, okay? Work hard for all of y'all, alright? Just so we can get the other requests in. No, VeChain ain't doing things. Well, it's doing things. It's just not things you might want to see. You know, not bullish, right? What's up, Beast Slice, man? Billy Langford, dude. What's up, man? Colby, what's up, dude? I'll put Aeon on the list, man. Just gonna be a little bit longer. If you can be patient with me, I'm gonna do everything I can to get there, okay? Jeez, I'm having trouble with chat, man. It's a lot of chat tonight, so holy crap, man. What's up, Richard Lalonde? I have not looked at Uranus. No, I've not. Sorry, dude. I live for a living. There you go, dude. Says there you go, dude. Hey, Crypto Cotter, dude. So Vincent, yep, man, Vincent. I can put Litecoin on the list, dude. Yep, Litecoin's. What do you want, man? We hit our target, our neckline, okay, and we got lucky, and we kept breaking to the upside, which was nice, but since been stopped out. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Been live now 44 minutes. Okay, I need more mana, man. I need more mana for Rimlog, dude. Rimlog loves mana. Okay. Uber Ponage. Okay, Uber Ponage. This is off a little bit, man. What's going on? There we go. Someone looks like a falling wedge, maybe, right? Maybe, right? Okay, so what's going on with mana? Mana, the way I have it, right? I was talking to Rimlog about this the other night. I gave him my interpretation of what I believe is going on. I don't, whatever, dude. Whatever. On the wick. What? On the wicks, dude. Weird. Okay, not cool. I should have put 1 and 2 on the top and then 3 on the bottom. All right. I liked the respect we were getting on our trend lines. Okay. We just broke below the heart line. Not good, man, but from a low to high, we have just hit the 78.6% retrace, right? Just hit it. Let's go on the oscillators at the 78% retrace. Hey, remember the ascending broadening wedge? Wow, we broke out of it. Go figure. Really the target of this ascending broadening wedge. I don't know that. This is it, dude. It's down here. It's at the beginning of the pattern, which is at 815 sats. Rimlog, man, we're not far away. We're not too far, are we? A couple fib nodes. It's a couple blocks away. All right. Dude, this is tough with a beard, man. And I have my headphones on under here, so it's not easy. Okay. Literally, what is going on? Literally, we're in outer space. Miss Kentoma, dude. Psh, psh. I can't see you, man. Miss Kentoma, man. Hey. Can you see me, dude? All right, this is hey, you know, I found out this is where literally Star Wars Worlds hangs out, dude. This is his spot, dude. His favorite spot. It's like a bar, but way out in the Andromeda Galaxy. Oh, it was a hole in the wall, but still lots and lots of supernovas and crazy stuff going on, man, okay? Okay, I'm about to get another beer, too, okay? We're getting this thing crazy, alright? I'm sure think Bitcoin will drop. Tim will address that probably about 5 minutes, okay?
Crypto Kai of the RSI Live TA with Matre from the Milk and Nutella Studios in Greenbow, Alabama. 4321 Earth below us, drifting, falling, floating, weightless, coming home.
Thanks, man. Demos, thanks for the 2420 contribution. Much love. Love you. Oh, Jesus, people. Don't freeze up there, okay? I don't know. It's like global warming's here where I live. I mean, it's just literally not cold anymore. Just leave the door open. 2 in the afternoon, just no big deal, right? So thank y'all so much, 2420, and excuse me, Peter Schilling. Thanks, dude. Live. Why does it say Live TA? Why not Live TA? Greenbow, Alabama. 432. Earth below us. Weightless. Coming up. Anyway, yes. Thanks, Peter Schilling. I know you, dude. I know you. Alright. Sweet. So Manaman, the measured move of this pattern puts us down at 8.15 cents. Let's see if we can get there. Oscillators, well, are they helping us right now? Not really, are they? Not really helping too much. Yeah, dude, it's just kind of going. Look, you're making lows, lower lows, lower lows, slightly higher levels of relative strength. Just a little bit, right? So maybe this might give us what we need to break to the upside at a critical pivot, the deep retrace of 78.6%. Maybe. Just don't know. I don't know if it's enough. Okay, enough juice. I mean, you're getting a little bit here, or whatever you want to say. Right? See, man. See what plays out. Okay. Candle 1045 going down to 937 real quick. Okay. That's it. Here's your anticipated target of the pattern. The very beautiful sexual pattern. Okay. Downtrend. Moving down. Lower highs than your previous highs. Lower lows than your previous lows. Alright. Mana. Looks like we got like 1 minute till you're looking on the end, so we're just gonna run out the clock and then, hey man, we looked at 9 assets in the stream so far. Not too bad. About to go get another beer, okay? Because who cares? Yep, we got like 10 seconds, okay? We'll move on. Solar powered shirt from last night. What? Solar powered shirt? Oh yeah. The solar powered shirt is actually, man. Yeah, man. That was nuts. I didn't even realize it. Couldn't even tell. And Anthony, man, probably not, dude. Normally when you anticipate, it does not happen. Okay, so we won't anticipate and act like it's not happening. Okay, I'm good with that. Holy crap, man. Did I have this screen up the whole time? Sorry, dude. My bad. Crap. Let's go to Bitcoin because it is your local only. It's beep, 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 beep. No sound effects. Sorry. All right. 1 minute and 20 seconds left till the 60-minute candle closes. But as you can see, down sloping channel, inverse Kangs. All right, bearish cyber pattern. Broke down, almost hit a 62% retrace, and rallied, made a lower high than a previous high, lower high than a previous high, lower high than a previous high, right? Consecutive lower highs. And we've since dumped with all the rejection in the world up here, like 17 plus 60-minute candles failed to break above this area. Okay, it was bad. Volume elevated, again, highest level of volume we've seen since December 20th. All right, so hitting support earlier today from December 27th at 3571, and if we can't hold 3571, coming down real quick to 3462. I can't hold 3462, it's gonna be a bad time, not gonna be fun at all. All right. Okay, so let's see if we can fib extension here. Like low to high. Low to high at 1272 puts us at 3419. Good chance we could hit that too, which is right around that other support 3462. Okay, let's do low to high fib extensions. There you go. Oh my god, so freaking crazy. I'm trying to make it like I can utilize all this chart so I can zoom in as much as I can for you to see it. Okay. Stargates Worlds. What's up, Stargates Worlds, man? Just like Star Wars Worlds isn't here, man. But we did just dox his address in the Andromeda Galaxy, okay? Oh man, we hit 102 likes. All right, hitting the fireworks. Hitting the fireworks, Billy, man. Okay, fireworks are up, Kappa. Okay, so I'm getting another beer. So hold on a sec. Okay, I will be right back.
Since you don't have a fireworks button, this seems the next logical choice is to set off literal fireworks in your room for the rest of the stream.
Hey, Robin Nancy, thanks so much for the 690. Oh, if it's so good. Yeah, literal fireworks. So as we can do that, I mean, I am in outer space, right? So, it's not like anyone's gonna hear the fireworks. I'm not gonna get like a phone call or something. So, yeah, but we can do it, man. We can do it. There's Dead Moon Boys team. They're up there flying high. Kangs, baby, Kangs. Whew. Okay, sweet. Psh, psh. All right, man. Bitcoin just kind of holding, man. Holding a little bit for now. Still above 35.68. 100% retrace. December 28th low. All right. So things are getting robbing, man. Much love, dude. Seriously. Okay, Ethereum. Reiteration of Ethereum analysis. And then we move on. Okay, dude. Uptrend that started December 15th. We have now since broken out of that hardcore on heavy or more elevated levels of volume, right above average for what we were getting. And measured move easily hit, and we fell all the way down to 122.14. Bounced right around that 78% retrace at 122.84 from the low to high. Okay, so 200 MA is upon you at 120.46. Horizontal line support at 119, and the 886 at 118. So this area right here seems like it could be a pretty decent support, with us sitting around 21 on the RSI, extremely oversold. Huge spike in negative momentum. We haven't seen this much negative momentum since November 20th. Back here, dude. Big moves down. Big move. All right. Prevailing trends bearish. The rally lasted for almost a month, man. What do you want? What do you want, dude? When the trends end, they end. Okay. New ones begin. Sweet, man. Oh my god, man. Is everyone freaking out? Is it? Oh my god, man. Hey, man. This guy's done over 600 plus live streams, and this guy's dressed up as an astronaut tonight. I can't believe it. I'm impatient. I can't believe this, man. Yeah, dude, we hit 4,000 subs. How many subs you got on your channel? Kid, Tim Matthews. Oh, wait, you have none because you're a scrub. Okay. Go back to your scrub TA, all right? Fake beer, that's right, exposed fake beer. Intergalactic Brewski. Okay, so that's it. Let's go back to XRP real quick. Okay, man. Showing red still. We have not seen a green candle since last night, right? Big selling. Have not hit a measured move yet, though. Got as low as 32.8 cents. Close to a horizontal line support, 32.6 cents. But have not hit it, and just kind of still descending a little bit, still falling. All right, but there's a down-sloping support that could. Let's move this out a little bit more. Could see 31.2 cents at some point, but the measured move of the symmetrical triangle is at 30.5 cents. Gonna be tough to get there. I don't know, man. We hit it. Not that oversold. We still have room where we could fall, right? We've seen much lower levels than this before. We've seen 17 on the RSI. We've seen 16 on the RSI. 14, 8.9. Okay, so we could continue selling off if we wanted to. Negative momentum, though, is beginning to round a little bit, so maybe we start retracing just a little bit. Get back to neutral, then sell off again, maybe get some bullish divergence. Okay, so that's it. XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, your local on the 8s. Okay. What's up, Emma B? I don't think so, man. I don't think Wonderful Bricks was doing trolling, man. I think he was just everyone's saying fake Threadripper, fake this, fake that, right? So it's just a joke now. Is VeChain doing things? No, it's not. But we did 4,000 subs, Emma. That's it. Bullish divergence? There is none on XRP. We have bearish convergence lows, lower lows, lower levels relative strength, lows, lower lows, higher levels of negative momentum. That is bearish convergence, no divergence right now. But if you're talking about from here, this low to this low, I guess you could say that maybe on the MACD, but the selling just kind of began, didn't it? Anthony, no, man. if that's true. I don't know. Okay, Carvana. Let's go to Carvana real quick. Okay, still on this Patreon. Request. Okay, here's just the 4 hour. Carvana. Excuse me. Had a nice run up, right? Okay, like everything else was just pumping so hard. It all ended September 10th, 11th, and then we sold off. And since it broke that upsloping high velocity trend, big sell off. Okay, I just chose 1, 2, 3, a billion. Okay, and there's 1 on the top, and you can clearly see that we attempted to break out, but then failed. And hey, we're above the 20 MA still, right? But a really nice bullish divergence on the RSI on the 4 hour. But if you go to the daily, you have MACD and RSI bullish divergence from the low to the lower low. Lower levels of negative momentum, higher levels of relative strength. Okay, so impending price action reversal could be upon you, but you just got a death cross on the 26th of December. So we are kind of rebounding right around that golden retrace 3470 area, right? Kind of trying to. We're not really sure though if this is the swing low. I mean, I guess we could say it is a swing low. So yeah, we don't know. We really don't know if it's a swing low because we went from a high to low. We have not even hit the 236 yet, $39. Okay, but some people could argue and be like, oh, what about from here, from this high to low? We've just exceeded the 236, right? Just now. So we do have a confluence area at 38.56 at $45. So 38.50, 44, $45. That's about it. Those are the 2 big confluence zones. Okay, so could run to either one of those before reversing price action. Okay, but again, all we did on the daily was fail, right? You have this little hammer right here, right? Shooting star, right? Shooting star reversal on a breakout on no volume. Okay, so I don't know, man. It seems okay. It seems like we could keep running, but dude, this macro decides it wants to turn around on us. The major indices want to sell off after such a nice little rally. We've retraced about 50% of the way. This thing's going to go with it because it's going to keep selling off. All right, it's Carvana. That's it, dude. Thanks, Emma B. I really appreciate that. Thanks. $5.89 drink, Billy Man. Yeah, whatever, dude. Well, we already looked at Tron, Wonderful Bricks. We already looked at it, so you could rewind and check it out, man. Okay. Okay, NDX for Rimlock. And then IBM after that. Okay. Wait, I thought we... okay, yeah. I guess we have with the NDX. It was just the other one. Okay, so look at this beautiful uptrend. But then we legged up the inauguration, right? President Trump. Catalyst, right? Huge catalyst. We exploded and broke out to the upside of this historical uptrend, right? And now we have since dumped out of it so hard. Eventually you're going to get it. Well, you know, when we broke out, we had some bullish divergence. We rebounded, sold off. So what's going on? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Okay. Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. So, we did bounce around that hard line. This is what the Dow Jones did, the same thing. I mean, NASDAQ 100 and the Dow Jones have the same, almost identical historical uptrends. They break out and they sell off, and they both, I know the Dow Jones hit the heart line. Okay. So yeah, really, I don't want to make it too complicated here. It's just like, yeah, 1, 2. Actually, looks like a descending. Hold on, watch this. There it is, descending broadening wedge, like the Qs, right? Qs, the S keys, whatever. Oh my god. Whew. Dude, my contacts, I'm gonna have to replace them. These are terrible now. Like I can't even like blink now. My eyes are like, I'm like getting cut every time my eyeballs move. Ow. Look crap. So what's happening on the NASDAQ 100? Soon approaching the 50-day moving average, approaching the, whoa, 6,666 is the top trend line of the descending broadening wedge. Holy crap. All right, need to make adjustments here. High to low, 38% retrace has been breached, but barely. So we are on the common retrace zone. But man, set up an alert here. It's gonna be real tough. Not gonna be easy at all. Breaching the 6666. Yeah, resistance. Okay, man, that's not gonna be easy at all. Whew. Keep your eye out. Keep your eye out. And this is why people think it might be a good area. Where look, the retrace the lower highs consecutively, the lower lows consecutively. All right. Wait a minute, zoom it out, zoom it out. The RSI, we did have bullish evidence from this low to this low. Popped, but probably gonna make a lower high than our previous high back from December of 2018. And the death cross we got on December 3rd. So, that's it. Just look at it. Look here. Listen. Appearing offline does not fix it. So you know what I'm talking about? If someone knows what I'm talking about, type in chat what I just quoted, who I just quoted. If you do it, you win the big prize of I'm impressed. That's it. Thanks, Joshua. Alma hits. Thoughts on hidden divergencies. They're right, man. Classic, I believe, is more reliable. But yeah, you see the classic. It's not as, you know, you don't see it as often, and I don't think it's as reliable. But classic to me is my favorite in terms of signifying reversals. So Eric R, thanks for the compliment on the spacesuit. RGB dies. Yeah, red, green, blue. Dude, I'll lose my mind. I'll riot, dude. I will literally riot if RGB dies, because that's like, I'm all up in on that red, green, blue. Okay. Oh, RBG. Okay, all I know RBG is random or rated battlegrounds or something. PvP. I could broaden your wedge anytime. I don't even know what that means, Luke Jones. Could be sexual. Sub say 300. Purple Lab, what are you talking about? Purple Lab, man. What? Sub say 300. Are you okay, man? Because that doesn't make sense. There you go, King Logan. Exactly, dude. Well, MK Man, you know, major indices kind of like play together. The S&P 500 is kind of like the Kang, dude. So S&P looks like it might be ready to sell off some. So if like indirectly those might sell off because the S&P sells off MK, right? And it really, if you don't want to do any kind of leverage, right? No decay. You can just do the QID instead of the SQs, right?
What up, El Ray? Congrats on 4K subs. Have we looked at Neo, and if not, can we? Do not get trapped.
Shimmerston, man, thanks for the $5 contribution. Much love. I don't know, man. I guess 4K isn't as special, you know, as some may say. Whatever. But you know, it's such a niche market what we do. Okay, so thanks, dude. I'll look at the. Just trying to make it a little special, I guess, right? Yeah, we'll look at it right after IBM. We're going to IBM to Neo. Okay, now we had made it through the patron requests. Well, you know, patron requests, and now this was the final patron request. All right, so now we're going to go to IBM, which has been it was a downtrend forever. Yeah, downtrend since 2013, April 2013. Excuse me, but historical uptrend. All right, you want to see this craziness. Look at here, listen. Appearing on the bottom trend line of December 24th of 2018 did help pivot us, and look what we got on the weekly. The weekly, ladies and gentlemen, oh my God, we have a textbook 3 white soldier reversal pattern. Congratulations. Well below our 20-week, 50-week, and 200-week moving averages. That's bearish. That's super bearish, dude. Okay, but my God, holding on by a thread. Historical trend line that goes back to November of 2008, back to July of 1996, and August, September of 1993, man. You better not fall below this or you are super screwed, IBM. All right, historical uptrend is intact, but barely. Just barely, man. All right. That's it, dude. Can't believe it. I can't even believe it. 20-week moving average, okay. And they developed the quantum computing, man. Hey, black man. Reach out to do things.
Thank you, less than 3.
Brimlog is kind of super offensive calling me less than 3, dude. You're less than 3. Yeah, but love you, man. Thanks for just all the ongoing support, okay, dude? Gangs, dude. What's that? Whatever bricks, I'm sorry, man. It says 4,005 subs on my side. What you talking about, dude? Sorry, that didn't work out for you, okay? What's up, 9ball? Spacesuit's making you lose your freaking mind. That's good, dude. That's good, right? What's up, Eli Bog? Is Seth even real? Inquiring minds want to know on the special night, is Seth even real? Yeah, he's pretty real. Okay, man. It's hard to believe, though. Hard to believe. Okay. Try to get through some shit. Okay, so that's it, man. I don't want to tell you we're just pivoting off a historical move, and if we look at the weekly, let's go to the daily. So we got fib. I think a major fib is back here. high to low have not even hit a 382, 124.64. If we were to continue retracing could put us between 124.64 and 136.07. That's it. That's literally it. All right. There are your fibs. Simple as that. We've cracked the 236, so we know this is a major swing low. Too simple, man. Too freaking simple. But let's try those real quick. Might not work. Probably not. And I'm gonna invalidate it real quick. Oh man, see, like right there, 32%. You're looking for a 38% retrace. We got 32% retrace. Because we're looking, we could have a bearish cipher pattern, right? Trying to get this. Okay. All right, trying to look over, but just kind of just a little too shallow of a retrace. Okay, so could leave there and see what happens, right? Could see what happens on this potential bearish cipher pattern, okay, which is never good because you'll hit up here a 78% retrace from X to C, and then you just sell off here, and that could be a good trade setup. Maybe in time we can get there, man. Maybe. They unveiled the first commercial quantum computer today. They did. That's crazy. Was it at CES, dude, or whatever? I have a good one, CWG, man. Making my beard itch, man. Holy crap. Hey, Bubby, I'm glad you're enjoying the music. Thanks for being here. Okay. So, make sure I got this right. Give me a sec. Hold on a sec, y'all. Sorry. My God, man. Sorry. Dude, been going hard, man. We've been busting it, man. Y'all put me to work tonight. No, man, no. Okay, sorry. Okay, for Mr. Damon, man, do not get wrecked. Okay, makes sense right here, dude. Too much of sense being made. Why? Give me a break, dude. Give me a break. Come on, man. Come on. Touch point 1 and 2 on the top, and 3 and 4 and 5 on the bottom, or 5 total touch points on the top and bottom. All right, so what did we do? We ran up and touched the top trend line like Jesus, man, like perfectly. And you're like, oh, okay, cool, man. Okay, but look, man, bearish divergence. We literally, last time we analyzed this coin, we talked about the bearish divergence on the MACD at critical areas of resistance, and look what happened. Sorry. We broke out. We broke back down into the channel even more. Okay, so don't get mad at me, man, because this was discussed last time we analyzed this. Okay, high, higher high, lower levels of positive momentum. Boom. Sweet. 6. Thanks for so much, YouTube Juice, man. Welcome, man. When's the next live stream is? Most likely at 5 Eastern tomorrow. Okay. So glad you found me, and sorry you have to crash. That's okay, man. It's late, understandable. So hopefully get to see you next time. All right, man. Excuse me. Reading chat. Kind of calming down a little bit, okay? Fireworks for Shy Girl. Psh, psh. Okay, so sorry, man. We're back. Look, we're bouncing on the 75% trend line of the Equidistant channel. Doing that right now, okay? Big volume spike on the sell-off. Sorry, it was a false breakout, Mr. Damon, man. We couldn't do it. Only US dollar couldn't do it. We had an alert set up. It just didn't happen, man. It's hard to happen when Bitcoin dumps with bearish divergence at critical areas of down sloping resistance. Okay, that's very tough. Okay, from a high to low, what did we do, Mr. Damon? We hit a 38% retrace. We touched it. The first common retrace, right? As soon as we touched it, it was like, oh my god. So on. Still above the 200 MA. 200 MA is around $7.38, so not too far off. Let's see if we can hold above it, man. Hold above it. Keys. Okay. That's it, man. Let me know if that was okay, man. I was showing it. Good. Jeez, man, we had way more likes in the day stream when I was not even dressed as a astronaut. Okay. Dang, man. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't put up the fireworks as I'm on a different PC right now. Okay. Well, the next possibilities would be okay. Well. Interesting. Well, hey, Mr. Dan, we're at a 50% retrace right now. Literally touched it. $7.82. Could bounce here, but dude, here's the thing. Mr. Dan, we are not oversold yet. We can continue selling off, no problem with when it's a... Dude, we were in late November at 9 on the RSI. We're currently sitting at 35. We have room to run to the downside. It could retrace. Looks like this impulse down on an extremely high volume. Haven't seen a volume like this, Mr. Damon, since November 24th, around Thanksgiving time. Okay, so with all that volume, it seems very significant. We very well could set ourselves up for some sort of a bear pole, bear flag combination. We're rounding out a little bit on the MACD. Maybe we could run up a little bit more on the RSI, set up for lower prices, and get oversold, right? So it looks like a bear pole, bear flag. Sell off again to lower prices. 618 is going to put you at 728. 786 is 651, and 886 is at $6.06. Okay, man. So that's it, man. We just hit the 50% retrace from your low from December 15th to your most recent high, January 9th. Okay. There you go, Mr. Dan, man. Hope that helps, dude. Okay. Let me know. Thanks. Sorry. Okay, man. Wow. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap. We have looked at a stupid amount tonight. $13 charts? My God. Just damn, man. Dude, thanks, dude.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you, Mr. Dan, man. Love you, dude. Okay, seriously. You've been there for me time and time again, man. Thanks for all the support and love, okay? Because I couldn't do it without you, brother. All right, let's look at the SQs, man, for MK, man. Sorry, dude. It's just, you get it, man. It's just how it happens, man. All right, look at this, dude. Craziness. From your low to high. We cracked the 618, did we not? And we back tested and failed at 200 MA, 1370, 786, 1309. 1309 is right at the bottom of this ascending broadening wedge, right? No real divergence per se, right? I mean, dude, if you want to be technical, you can clearly see a little bit, right? Just a very small, minute amount, MK, man. If you're here, dude. All right, there. So, RSI, no such luxury, just keeping on selling off. Okay, so that's about it, man. It's really, will we reverse tomorrow? I don't know, dude, but it's really, I really just want to look at the Qs, man. Qs make me feel a little bit better, easier to analyze than the SQs. Okay, SQs 3-time leveraged. Okay, so not going to be, so if we look at the Qs, it's going to help us a little bit better, right? So look at your beautiful descending broadening wedge, from your swing high to swing low. We just cracked that 382. But others would argue and say, and they're completely right in doing so, because the daily, there is another major swing high that is not the top. Major high from December 3rd to the low. Approaching that 618. Let's get rid of the larger one so you can see. High to low, golden retrace, 50 moving average right upon us, 161.78. Dude, we're there. Very possible chance we could break to the downside at any point. Any point here, we could break to the downside. Okay, lower highs, lower high. Definitely going to give us a lower high, even if we run all the way up to 167. We can see lower prices, and there's always a possibility we could run up, because there is no indication we're showing any kind of bearish divergence on a daily time scale. Excuse me, 4 hour, no indication of impending price action reversal. But here's the thing, here's one variable that's kind of weird that could definitely be good for shorts. Receding volume. The volume is receding on higher prices, and the higher prices are just kind of minute every day, right? Every day, just kind of like, man, getting a little scary. Everyone in the market is just kind of scared to get in on this, okay? Because they all know, based on Fibonacci, we're hitting that golden retrace right there, man. I don't know, dude. Look, yesterday, near the golden retrace, today gapped down, and then ran up, filled the gap, and closed kind of right at that same price. I don't know, man. I'm kind of tired. Okay, man. So could be setting up for a nice break to the downside on the Qs, or run up on the SQs. Okay. Done. The crap. Okay. There are your Qs, man. MK, your bonus Qs. Sorry, I'm gonna get this from chat real quick right now. Vacation TA, yeah, I guess leap lot. That's it, dude. Reading chat, okay, since we analyzed coins, assets, whatever. James at the water cooler, Billy, man. Moonboy Montgomery, oh my god, and the HODL train homies. Jeez, dude. You say Moon Boy Montgomery because Montgomery is the capital of this state. Okay. There you go, Luke Jones, man. Thanks, dude. Well, MK, be careful, man. Three time leverage. You know, the ETN, dude. Just careful. But you know, you see what I'm saying. Let's go to the S&P 500 because the Qs are within the S&P 500, right? So let's look at it real quick. The structure, man. That structure, dude. Okay. So we bounce off the confluence zone. I know people are confused. Like, oh, what's going on, man? Too many fib nodes. But for me, I see it quite well. From your high to your low, we have retraced just above the 382. But that 382, let's look at our high here. Our high from December 3rd to the low. We cracked the 50% retrace. The golden retrace MK is at 2626 right here, which crazy enough is at a area. Oh my God, MK, dude! If we get to the 618 on the S&P 500, that is the. Remember, we had the impulse up, right? Let's go to the daily. Crap. Okay, so remember the impulse up, crazy impulse up, like no consolidation, just almost straight up. Then the consolidation happened, it was up sloping, right? And we knew exhaustion flag, right? We broke out a huge retrace on meh volume, pretty meh volume. The high, or high to low, that 618 is going to put us to back test the consolidation, right? Which we were once using this as a support. It would now be used as a resistance. The 50-day moving average just rests right around that area. So we might, just might run up a little bit more before breaking down. But where do we close the day? Right at that 70 or that 25% trend line of the equidistant channel, right? 20, there it is. Not going to be too easy to crack, man. We've shown support extremely well on this before. All right, so that's it, dude. All right, so though we look poised for a move down, we could run up a little bit more to 26.29 too, right? So there's that. I don't know, man. Just the way we're moving, just getting scared, dude. See the price action, just like I don't know, man. Look a little higher highs and look at the receding volume. Getting scared, dude. Positive momentum still is at its highest level of this run, and that's what gives me indication to believe that there is a percentage chance we could run and hit 26.25. But that's not very far. That's like. One could be short there and wait, right, and still be losing money, and then we dump, right? So I just think that this move up is great and all, good for us, but where's the volume, dude? There is no volume involved with this move to the upside. 53 neutral on the RSI. All right, there you go. MK more, man, more of an analysis again. Been live for an hour, 35 minutes. Remember, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. We're in outer space, man. Outer space. Holy crap. So we stopped out of our secondary little trade setup. Our first trade setup was a massive success, right? From the entry down here to profit taking or stop losses being moved up to the neckline. Once we cracked that neckline, we tried to give it a little bit of a, we tried to be just a little bit lower than the candle body closes. But who cares? You're out of the game. You've broken that upside trend line for Vincent. Sorry, Vincent, man. It just sucks, dude. right? Just hey, but here's the thing, man. When we were up here, it's not like we didn't say there wasn't bearish divergence. It's right there. It's documented, man. Okay, bearish divergence, and we have dumped. Okay, we have dumped in where yes, we are below the trend line of the channel that's upsloping. Unfortunately, man, this is what an idealistic situation is of any kind of inverse head and shoulders. Once you breach the neckline, you then back test it and you run. You run to the measure move from the bottom of the head to the neckline from the breakout that puts you at $50. But unfortunately, man, with Bitcoin doing what it's doing and being a very nasty bear trend, Litecoin follows because Litecoin is nothing special in technical terms because it does the exact same thing as all the others compared to Bitcoin.
Can you please take a look at hot/ETH hollow? Keep it cosmic, you legend.
Thanks, Anon man, for the 420. Is that a joint contribution? Thanks, dude. Yeah, look at it. I'm about to break the seal, dude. Hard core parkour. All right. Yeah, dude. Gotta right after this. So sorry, dude. I don't know what to tell you, man. Look at Fibit here. Okay, let's Fibit. Okay, oh my god, we have breached the 618 golden retracer, 32.71. We're below that now. Okay, staying below it. We've already, I believe, back tested the area that was once support is now resistance, and now we're falling bearishly engulfing, selling off. Not even really that oversold. 30 on the RSI. Big spike in negative momentum, largest spike of negative momentum we've seen. Holy crap, since September 6th, 7th of last year. Dang, man. That's extreme negative momentum spike, right? So haven't been this weak on the RSI since right around December 11th, whatever. But hey, man, falling below the 618 could put you at $30.38 real fast. Okay, man. Okay. Wait a second, hold on. What are you worried about? What's like to be mad about on this, dude? From a high, despite any kind of patterns, whatever, from your major swing high back from November 7th to your swing low, we hit a 50% retrace, man. The Dow's theory, okay, states that, hey, man, after an impulse down, we must commonly retrace 50% of the way before reversing our price action to the downside or to the prevailing trend, which was the downside. Okay, prevailing impulse, whatever. Okay, so 200 MA. Right around $30.24. Okay, but the huge move down, there is no impending price action reversal because we just got the first big impulse. Okay, that's it. Vincent. Hope that helps. Thanks. God, I have to go to the bathroom. It's so freaking bad, dude. Oh my god. Look at this chat, and then I'm gonna roll on to the bathroom. Okay. I like that. King Taxi, have you met Miss Taxi Driver? Y'all should just go on a taxi date or something. So Loco's free. Hey, look what's free. Look what's free. Next time you say something good, things will happen. Kangs, dude. What's up, Mario, dude? Glad you made it. You just got here. This hilarious. Oh my god, dude! I just did a Litecoin analysis in the crazy space. I'm sorry, dude. My bad, dude. Anyway, hopefully you got all that. It was truly like a radio show. All right. No, Blue. The measure boot was 131. We already hit it. Okay. Yeah, Mario, I'm gonna do a moonwalk to the moon. Moonwalk to the bathroom. Hold on. That's it. I have to. I'm about to explode. Not sexually. Don't be gross. All right. I will be right back. So hold tight. I'm gonna turn the music a little bit for you. For your auditory pleasure. Hang tight. Remember, hit that like button above the sub. Okay, hold on. Thanks. No, but I had to deactivate my my thing. Sorry. Okay, so I'm back. We looked at Litecoin. Cool, man, cool. Alright, I don't know, man. Been live, what, hour 48 minutes? Just came back by to say hey. Seems like, I don't know, man. I said I'd go in the bathroom, but everyone's like, alright. He said he was going to bed, so everyone like gotta stop washing. So, got it, man. That's why I need to wear a diaper. Because if I leave my screen for 3 minutes, I'm gonna lose 40 viewers, which is like, dang, man. It's a percentage of the viewers, so maybe we should invest in diapers. So it'd be a tax write-off, easy. Tax write-off, man, for diapers. Or bedpans, whatever. Going back to Bitcoin. Okay, not looking good, man. Not looking so hot. Still showing red, man. Can't really find any demand, which makes sense in this overwhelmingly bearish market, right? I know, no focus, right? No focus, man. Okay, so multi-browser, man. Thanks for tuning in, dude. But it might be a little late, so hour 49 minutes in, and I'll be getting out of here pretty much. Look at. It was crazy coming in to the blurrily waving to you blurrily. Is blurrily a word? Really? Might have learned something new today. No, blurrily is actually not a real word. So Susie Q. Sorry, I am what people would call me, a pedantic bastard. I just love words and things, right? So, yeah, me with my blurrily waving hands around. You love it. Excellent. Well, I love that you're here. Okay. Just being a bottle. Yeah, that's true, man. What's up, Hoonoo, man? Bravo, man.
That Lord outpacing BTC with 4K subs. Sub bull run. Measured move 10K subs.
Holy crap, man.
Congrats.
Hey, Rob R, man. Dude, thanks so much for the $20 contribution. Love you, dude. Thanks so much, man. It means everything. Rob R, have you been here for this craziness? What's happening right now? The green screen and the Thread Ripper and all that? Haven't seen you since the legendary tip night. Holy crap, man. It's just been crazy, man. Okay. It was blurry. It was blurry. Holy crap. No, I just didn't know. Sometimes, like, you just act like you don't know everything, and then you look it up, and it's like, dang, man, okay. So, about the blurrily, could have been something. I did not assume. But dude, Rob R, man, are you enjoying this? Give me some feedback on how you think the setup is, because it's not ideal, but it's something, I guess, right? Little change up. I don't even know what my chart looks like on Aeon. Can't remember. What? Okay, I think I looked at this. Maybe we just didn't upgrade it. Or up. What is it? Up something? Yeah, man, it's been a minute, dude. Hold on. Dude, what is going on here? I know we have done this chart. Spring cleaning. That's it. There's like no structure here, man. It's just like, what a joke, dude. Like no structure at all. Like, dude, it's like just going sideways. Like, who cares? It's like dead coin, man. Dead coin. Actually, anchor point 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and just 1 on the top, and not including the stupid craziness. Okay. That being said, you're just not really doing anything. Okay, man. Who cares about the sideways loser crap? sucks, dude. It's just a major, major S coin. All right, major S coin. But yeah, it seems like you did break some sort of, you know, some sort of downsloping resistance. Okay, you did that, but what'd you do with it? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just selling off. All right, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, over and over and over again. Okay, man, I just don't. Honestly, it looks like some sort of ascending broadening wedge, right? You broke a trend line, it looks like. Yeah, ascending broad. Okay, bearish pattern, ascending broadening wedge. Oh my god, man. Ugh. The short term and then the shorter term. You're outside, man. You're outside of it. Oh, you're right. Yep. Trying to hold above, I guess, right? Okay, all right. So being pinpoint accurate, you are holding above it just barely. Okay. And maybe we'll pivot here. Let's see what's going on. Bearish convergence. Bearish convergence. So no impending price action reversal at all. At all. Okay. I guess you could say from a low here to your low, you're double bottoming. So it's kind of like that class C bullish average in the RSI. Stagnation in strength, relative strength. So hey man, it's a do or die right here. You better pop. You better. I mean, lower risk. Look, you had 1, 2, and now 3 rejections below 353 sats, right? So that's about it, man. Okay. You haven't even hit 236 yet. We don't even know this is the swing low yet, Colby. Colby, we don't even know until 366 if it is it, okay? If you can break or breach 366, at least we know we've made a swing low. And common retrace from your just most minor swing high to swing low is going to be between 379 and 398. Okay, so that's really it on Aeon. Okay, extremely bearish look. 52-week lows. Crap. November 25th of 2018. We're not far off, are we? Currently sitting at 358. Not far off the 52-week lows at all. Like all-time lows. Whatever, dude. Right? This is your Aeon, dude. Sweet, 5 comments since you talked about Aeon before I even did the analysis. Awesome.
Thanks Mitch for Intel and IBM charting and Rots for 4K subs. I wish you 8 more.
Hold on. Dude, 1618. Thank you so much, man. Oh, that's a 1G project. No, that's 1.618 G project. Thanks for the 333 and all the 8s, dude. Kangs, dude. Kangs. Much love, brother, man. Much freaking love. Okay. So, look, y'all. I have analyzed. Oh, wait. Sorry. I have to look at one more. My bad. Crap. Sorry. We haven't looked at this since the inverse head and shoulders, and we hit target. Holy crap, man. It's been a minute, though. Dude, look at this, dude. Beautiful, beautiful inverse head and shoulders. And the measure move of this pattern was 526, and we hit 526, and then we dumped. Bye-bye, man.
Liking the new setup. Maybe a glitch though, as there's a moon boy on the screen. winking face.
Dude, there's no glitch here, Rabbi, man. Thank you for the $20 contribution. I love you, man. I really appreciate it. And, dude, it's a Moon Boy special because, look, we had 4,000 subs. Thought it might be a good one. I don't know if I should go on the Viking night or not. I don't know. Had some good, I took some feedback and advice and went with what people thought I should go as. And that was the Moon Boy special, all right? So, thanks, man, for the big 4-0 on the night, man. That's the large contribution of the evening, dude. I really appreciate that, man. Good. So, anyway, since this beautiful pattern's played out, let's do some spring cleaning, man. Spring cleaning. Crazy, dude. It's just like you got no higher than that measured move. It's insane. Pretty easy little channel here. Question is, oh yeah, baby, yeah. Oh my god. Let's make adjustments. See if we make adjustments. I like it. I like it. Okay, here's your down subbing channel. You're the top of the down subbing channel. Right. Top of the down sub channel and the lower high than our previous high. So we're bearish right now. Okay, so what do you want, man? High to low, 88% retrace at least, right? Crazy volume came in to pop us to the upside. Popped us to the upside. Do we have any hindsight stuff? It looks like it. No, really. I mean, a little bit, but dude, that's just stagnation and momentum. Here's some more Class C bullish divergence. You don't see that often. It's not impending price action reversal, just means stagnation and momentum. All right, so you had a lower low in price with the same amount of not momentum, relative strength. Okay, so double bottomed on your oscillator, but you did show, in fact, some Class A bullish divergence on the MACD, right? So there you go. That's it. So it looks like that is what gave us the pop to the upside, or the chance to break to the upside on hot to ETH, man. Okay. Fib wise, I mean, there's not much really to fib, dude, unless you want to do maybe so. Is it a bull pull bull flag? I don't know, man. Maybe. What is it, dude? If it is a bull flag, that means we're going to break out of the downside channel. But I have no idea, dude. I feel like we just hit the top downsloping resistance and have sold off. So measure move. Kind of looks like conservatively starting here. So I don't want to include all that. I just want to do it like this. 120. Being conservative. Nothing wrong with being conservative. Okay, 120.
5K sub night. Viking with green sweater.
Oh my god, Robar, dude, that would be freaking lit, dude. That would seriously be lit, man. What's going on? Dude, I'll do it, Robar. You don't make note of that right now. Keep reminding me, okay? 5K sub night. Viking. Night, green shirt, and also I think surf fishing, Fort Morgan, Alabama recommended I wear a green turtleneck. Okay, dude. Hopefully by I pray to God, like by 5K sub night, I'm not using a green screen, but I'm gonna do polls now because I gotta find out what the people want, right? What y'all want, because it's all about y'all. It's not about me, man. Okay, whatever y'all like more. If y'all like the more interpersonal aspect, that's fine. If you like the green screen, I'm good with it too. Okay, I just want to make y'all happy. So what's up, chat? What's up, 777 Athletic Memorial, 6 a.m. UK time? My god, dude, it is late. I didn't even realize. Holy crap. So light you got me, man. Where you been, dude? Light you got me, man. Glad you're here, though, either way. Okay. Are we going to the moon, Pedro? Yeah, we're going to the moon, man. Kappa. Dude. No, we're Moon Boys for the 4,000 sub evening. Okay. We hit that just hours ago. Payphones? Yeah, I remember that. They're in museums now, aren't they? Scantoma. So, but Gabrielle. What happened? Bill Guerrero, are you okay, man? Dude, it's a one-time thing. We don't do it very often, okay? What's up, Colin, dude? You like the green screen? How about this green screen? Brrr. Rob R, I don't know if you've seen this tonight. I don't know if you've seen it at all, okay? Look here, dude. Green turtleneck. Greet turtleneck. Burning down the house, man. So, Eric R, thoughts on bottom for Bitcoin? I guess we can go back to it, right? Let's go do it. Thoughts on the bottom. Well, man, you're in a downsloping channel. You've given the market indication to believe that this channel will continue, which makes us believe we could see much lower prices. Okay, the bottom of the downsloping channel, I mean, the 2600 area is the bottom, and that's it, man. Now this is market interpretation is very nice here. Okay, so but short term, we've hit that first target, 3568, which was a. Jeez, man, this is loud. Sorry, hold on. Anyway, so hitting this support at 22 on the RSI. Reasonably, we could maybe get out of oversold territory, probably only to get oversold again. If that's the case, we could hit 34.62 real quick. Right after 34.62 is the 1272 extension at 34.19 from your low to high. And then you've got your other 50 extensions there too to show you where we might reverse our price action to the upside. Okay, so impulse just happened. Elevated levels of volume, highest level of volume we've seen since December 20th. Okay, that's it. Thanks, Colin, dude. Yeah, I'm super tired, man. I'm like, I don't know, like past like 15 minutes of kind of like dumped on energy, man. Okay, turn it up. Turn it up, dude. Dude, my eyes are so heavy now. Holy crap, man. All right, y'all. Look. We have covered a lot tonight. I mean, I'm talking, we've covered a ton of coins in a not too fast amount of time, right? Been live for 2 hours and 7 minutes now, okay? On a Thursday evening. Oh, it's been a fun one. It's been awesome, y'all. Okay. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be back tomorrow, most likely for the day stream, okay? But man, I really do appreciate the love, support, the likes, the dislikes, the new subs, the old subs, everyone. Y'all make this community. I'm just here as a medium to, you know, help y'all congregate. That's all I am. So really humbled that y'all have chosen me to be that medium. So I'll be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect the TA.
Bye.